Hey everybody, just want to do another quick little video about the Milwaukee M12 inflator. Been really happy with this little device. I've used it around the house quite a bit. It's not going to be your big powerhouse, but it sure is handy. So my Acadia tire is a little bit low right now. Needs to be up around 35, 36 PSI. It's currently reading at 28 when I connect it. So I've got a little stopwatch here. I'm going to start a timer and let's see how quickly it takes care of this. And here we go. And there we go. 1 minute, 27 seconds. Minute and a half. So, kind of a standard size tire. Like I said, not the fastest thing in the world, but it sure is nice to hit it, walk away, do something else. You don't have to stand here and hold it, especially if it's in an uncomfortable position. And within 10 minutes, you can inflate all your tires if you need to. I'm not sponsored by Milwaukee in any way. I paid for this out of my own pocket, but I've been really happy with this little dude since I've gotten it. Thanks for watching.